Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can change your Facebook account password very easily. So guys, let's get started. First of all, open your Facebook app and then click on the three lines present on the top right corner. After that, click on setting and privacy and then click on setting. After that, you will see Meta Account Center and then click on it and then click on password and security and then click on change password and then click on continue. Here you can change your password. So first you should write your current password. For example, I write here my current password and then write your new password. And then click on change password. After that, it will ask you whether you want to stay logged in following devices or not. As I want to stay logged in, so I click on stay logged in. So guys, in this way you can change your Facebook password easily. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.